Hi everyone, welcome back. So this video I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMAs on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to insert here at the top left. Indicators, trend, and make sure you choose moving average, this one. So click on it. Now we have here period, type 20. On method, make sure you choose simple because SMA stands for simple moving average. We have your style. This is for the color of your SMA. So I will choose, for example, this one. And we have here the thickness of your SMA. So I will choose this one. Click on OK. Now this is our 20 SMA, as you can see. So let's add our 50. Click on insert again, indicator, trend, and moving average. Now we have here period. I will type 50. Method, again, make it on simple. And style, I will change this color to, let's say, yellow. The thickness, I will keep this one. Now click on OK. And as you can see, we added our SMAs. This is the 50 and this is the 20, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.